How's it going, folks? Markets are absolutely tanking this evening. Just a quick one for you because I am waiting for my flight literally right now. But take a quick look at this. You can see fear and greed index in 27. Markets are panicked, to say the least. I think this was sparked by the rumors that Wintermute were going to be suing Binance over crypto Black Friday. That was that historic $19 billion liquidation event. Wintermute have actually come out and said that they deny these allegations. But of course, what this is more about is the sentiment, the negative sentiment, something similar to the contagion crash that we saw after after FTX blew up. Basically, where the bad news, right, the bad thing that's being reported on, snowballs and spirals out of control, and the rhetoric gets to a point where basically the market is just dismal. The market is in fear like this, 27 on the fear and greed index. In terms of actual pricing, we're looking at $103,890 right now. We are right the way back down at the wick from the candle of that massive $19 billion liquidation event. For me, next point to the downside, obviously I'm just looking at the wick down here, 98,235. I had someone asking me earlier, do I think Bitcoin could come back below 100K? And yeah, I absolutely do. I don't necessarily think that would be a terrible thing. I think it would be horrible in the moment. I think it would be scary. It'll be uncomfortable for a lot of people. We will see a lot more liquidations potentially. We've seen $1.1 billion of long liquidations over the last 24 hours, 425 million of those in the last 12 hours. But do be aware that this is starting to calm down. Okay, eventually at a certain point, there's going to be no one left along this, right? And there's going to be no one left with the guts to long this. People are running out of money to leverage into the market, and people are running out of the sentiment in order to do that. So we can see here on the liquidation map, if we go down to here, Bitcoin exchange liquidation map, this is across exchanges. That is peaking out at about $1.25 billion worth of cumulative long liquidation risk on the downside. If we look at just Binance in isolation, that's something like $414 million. Not a small amount, of course, but it's all about the relativity. Look at the upside. On Binance alone, $1 billion worth of cumulative short liquidation risk to the upside. And then looking across exchanges, we can see nearly $2.5 billion worth of cumulative short liquidation to the upside. And that's coming in at prices of just $109,623, right? Prices we were trading at just a few days ago. So there is, I think we could indeed slip a lot further from here, but just be aware the leverage in the market is running out, and the further we slip, the more the market gets into fear, the more dismal things start looking. Eventually, this thing does have to turn around, and that will present a massive buying opportunity for some of the bigger players who have deep enough pockets to just keep scooping up coins at these depressed prices. But there we go, hang in tight. As always, just my opinion. Nothing I say should be considered financial advice, but thank you so much for watching. Plenty more to come. Catch you next one. Bye.